Bisa bareng sama.
Saan tayo? Ang galing. Ang ganda nun, no? Pareho sila. Okay. May Mickey Mouse. Ang cute, may Mickey Mouse. I love bag. Ang ganda. Sila ang color, yung nandun ma. Nandun yung color nila. Yun yung mini-melt nila. Ano yung mini-melt nila? Ang galing. Ah, siya lang din na nagdo-drawing pero may pattern na board na. Ang galing. Toilet daw ma. So, binili namin yung t-shirt. Two t-shirts for 252,000. Tapos, papatatakan mo siya. Kayo mamimili ng design dyan. And then, donation lang sa nagde-design. Lunch at Decoy.
Mango.
Mango.
And then chicken milkshake.
Thank you.
Putla ng ano.
Coconut.
Fresh coconut.
One more.
Coconut.
More fresh coconut. Thank you.
For the drink come here, yeah?
Lunch.
Ayam dito to.
I am B22.
Oh,
Ayan.
Luwak coffee.
yeah.
And that's the luwak.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Only active in the night.
Ah, luwak.
Ano sila? Nocturnal.
Nocturnal animal sila.
Yeah, natural animal.
Ayan o ah. Eat only the prime coffee.
Ah, friendly?
Yeah, you want a photo, you can put in your, but don't touch the head, yeah, only its back.
Ah,
Yeah, thank
still growing? Still getting bigger?
Laki.
This is, kuda meter, Ji? 4 meter.
4 meters. Tapos meron din sila doon.
Bisa bareng sama. Saya pegang ya.
Bisa.
Hello.
Apanya, Pak?
Yung bat. Nandun yung
Dewa baru ngajang ke
owl.
sugar dayon.
Suka bang.
Let's go.
Talaga, oh, panis. Vloggerist.
Coffee combination and coffee combination. And then I will give you free tester from gluten tea, turmeric tea, lemongrass tea, rasa latte. Ginger tea, bali kakao, pandan tea, antur. From sugar on or brown sugar, and for the bali coffee, chocolate coffee, and hot chocolate still pure no sugar. Only for the pandan tea we put coconut powder and brown sugar also. Okay, enjoy you try. You can start from tea. Yeah?
Thank you.
Yes.
Umulan na. Ang saya. Ice chocolate. Luwak coffee. And avocado. Free chips.
Luwak.
Luwak. Ito yung luwak mismo.
Ito matabang yung coconut mo, matamis.
Luwak coffee. Avocado coffee meron, no?
Yeah, we have
Oh, wali ko pala. Ini sabang din.
250. Blessing daw. Pwede kang mag-order ka pala talaga.
Daming koi. Koi, sarap. Nagmamigrate sila.
Malapit sila sa tao, hindi sila takot.
Mochi at saka si Mocha to. Yung malapit sa tao. Hindi si galit sa tao. Ulan!
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
For dinner, pork ribs, pork barbecue ribs, squid, then spring chicken. Yeah. Last day in Bawi. Breakfast namin. Buffet pa din. Nandun pa yung mga mothers. And then later, 11 o'clock yung flight namin. Ay, nagkuha ka ng ano? Ng, ang tawag doon? So, hi everyone. Today is our last day. It's Wednesday morning, and tapos na kami mag-breakfast. And then may pupuntahan pa kami. I forgot the name of the place, pero yun yung yun yung sinabi ng tour guide namin na pupuntahan namin for the last day, and then ihatid niya kami sa Pasalubong Center, and then after that 11 o'clock yung flight namin, so around 8 o'clock pupunta na kami ng airport para ida-drop off na niya kami dun sa airport. And then yun, so nung Monday na-delay yung flight namin nung Sunday, so instead of 11 o'clock ng Sunday kami umalis kami ng 3:20 AM sa Perth, and then dumating kami dito around 7 o'clock na, so around almost 8 o'clock na kaya kami nakarating dito sa hotel. And then nagkaroon pa ng confusion sa check-in kasi nga hindi daw kami dumating kahapon, so kailangan nilang reactivate yung, kasi meron kami 2 separate bookings. So anyway, pero at least pinabreakfast na nila kami after that. And then nung Monday, I think pumunta muna kami sa few temples before that. Pumunta kami sa Monkey Temple. Monkey Temple ba tawag doon? Basta doon sa temple na maraming monkey, pumunta kami doon. Pero hindi namin masyadong na-enjoy kasi super init. Super init. Tapos natatakot din kami. May kasama kaming dalawang senior citizen. Lalo na si mama, takot siya doon sa nung nauna kami, nadaanan namin yung unggoy. Bigla siyang inagawan ng unggoy nung sanitizer niya na parang keychain na nakalagay sa bag niya. So, sumigaw-sigaw siya. So, parang medyo na-traumatize siya doon. So, after nun, sabi namin, hindi na namin iikutin yung bukod doon. May init din kasi, baka ma-heat stroke pa kami doon. So, umalis na kami doon and pumunta na kami doon sa The Edge. Na-enjoy namin yon 4 hours kami doon. Doon naman sa The Edge, parang pool siya and then parang 500,000 per person and then 100,000 doon, yun yung entrance mo and then yung 400,000 yun yung consumable mo. So ibig sabihin, you can spend 400,000 sa drinks and sa food. So yun, 4 hours kami doon and then nag-swim, kumain muna kami, then naligo. Super saya no, highly recommended na gawin yun yung The Edge. Nirecommend lang din yun ng cousin ni Brian, so ni King. So yun, saya doon. And then late na kami nakauwi noon, around maybe 9? No, I think around 7. And then nag-dinner kami dito na sa hotel. And then after no, nag-night drinks kami ni Cook. And then yun. And then next day, yesterday, pumunta kami sa few temples and then dun sa gawaan ng silver, 925 silver. So bumili ko nun. Napabili ko ng isa. And then pumunta pa kami sa ibang temples and then also dumaan kami sa ano ba mga dinaanan? Hindi ko ma-recall. It was fun. Dun sa gawaan ng yung nagpiprint ng parang pinipaint nila yung mga damit. So, yung mga gawa ng sarong, yung ganon. So, bumili rin kami doon ng sarong nung dala naming mama. And then, pumunta kami sa temple wherein yung maliligo ka for blessing. Pero hindi namin ginawa kasi super umulan doon sa Ubud that time. Sa Ubud na area yun. Super umulan. So, hindi na namin siya nagawa. And also, hindi kami masyadong prepared. Wala kami pampalit. So, naisip na hindi na natin gagawin to. And then, natagalan kami doon kasi nga umulan. Pinatila pa namin ng konti. And then, nag-shopping kami ng konti doon kasi may mga souvenir shops. And then, after that, pumunta kami doon sa swing. Yung famous na ballet swing, pumunta kami doon. Nag-try ako nung dress nila na mahaba and all. Nag-pictures kami. And then fun yun. Super fun. And then next namin pinuntahan after that is nagpa-drop kami doon sa tour guide namin doon sa La Fabel restaurant, which is very fancy. I highly recommend that restaurant too. Napakaganda, napakasarap. And then naglakad-lakad lang kami sa Seminyak Street that night, yesterday night, and then bumalik kami ng hotel, then nag-drinks ulit kami last night sa Seminyak Street, which is super fun. Daming Australians. Parang sabi nga ng mga kakilala ko na puti. Daw ang Bali, province ng Australia na kasi almost Australians ang nandito. So anyway, either Australians or people living in Australia ang nandito sa Bali na nagbabakasyon. And then today, pupunta kami dun sa parang place na parang siyang temple, pero may mga waterfalls, I think. Yun yung nakita ko yung Instagram upload nung travel agency. Maganda siya. And then, doon kami pupunta. And then, sabi namin, kailangan maaga kaming uuwi. It's because, may tumatawag na. It's because, kailangan pa namin pumunta ng airport. And then, kailangan pa namin ng few pasalubongs. So, yun, hinintay na lang namin yung aming guide today. Kasi sabi niya, election daw. Dapat 7 o'clock kami. Pero dahil, dapat 7 o'clock ang aming meet up. Pero dahil, meron pa siyang gagawin. So, yun, 8 o'clock na kami. So, it's already 8 o'clock, 8:05. Hinintay lang namin siya at mag-check out na rin kami today. Starbucks! Nice! So, first things first, Starbucks. Gel order na tayo. So, next stop namin ang Havaianas. Ito yung factory outlet nila dito sa Bangkok. Bangkok, Bali pala. Sorry. 40%. May mabubudol ngayon, sis. Ganda. So, ganda.
Para palang MOA, no?
Ganda. Huh? No, it's okay. Thank you. Our lunch. Sarap. So, meron kami mga welcome sticker. We don't know what for, pero welcome sticker daw yun. So, ang tawag nila dito ay Pasalubong Center. We've been to different factory outlets, pero wala kaming nakita. So, hopefully dito may makita naman kami. Ganda. Hi! Salmon skin. Crispy siya. 100 grams for 27,500. So, roughly around $3 or 2.7 ganun. I Heart Bali Milk Compound Chocolate. Magkano naman dito is? $6. Okay. Wait tayo. Mga dark chocolate Bali.
80%.
House blend.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.